Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, after the last few days of pretty tranquil weather across the region, you're going to see some very unsettled conditions today with some showers and thunderstorms, some of which could be severe later on this afternoon as we'll see a pretty strong storm system sweep through the area. Yesterday you can see very nice conditions across the region, 82 degrees in Richmond, many locations in the Wallops region making it up into the 70s. We got to 74 degrees for our daytime high yesterday. Overnight last night, temperatures generally running in the 50s to around 60 degrees for low temperatures. We were at 59 degrees here at Wallops. 55 degrees was the cool spot in Salisbury. And over the last 24 hours, you can see a couple of trace amounts being reported over the last 24 hours here at Wallops, picking up a trace 7/100 of an inch, the most in Baltimore. As of 9 a.m., we see mostly cloudy to cloudy skies throughout much of the region. A couple of thunderstorms already making it into the Delmarva Peninsula. 63 degrees with a thunderstorm as of 9 a.m. at Salisbury. 66 degrees with a thunderstorm at Pax River as of 9 a.m. We see most of that activity off to our north and west here at Wallops, but that is going to come to an end over the course of the next couple of hours as we should get in on some of that action as well. Looking at the sounding information from this morning's balloon release, generally a southwest flow from the surface all the way up to 25,000 feet, where we see those winds increasing up to around 53 knots at the 25,000 foot level. Freezing level was at 11,100 feet. Current surface analysis showing the warm front north of our area. That's going to put us in the warm sector. Later on today, we're going to see that humidity and instability really ramp up as we go into the afternoon hours, setting the stage for some of those strong to severe storms here on the Delmarva Peninsula as we go into the afternoon. This frontal boundary off to our west is going to be racing to the east coast as we go through the afternoon and into the evening hours, and we're going to see lots of disturbed weather out ahead of that front with those showers and thunderstorms becoming likely during the afternoon. You can see here on the infrared satellite what we are monitoring with this storm system. A lot of cold cloud tops associated with this storm system that will be moving quickly off to the northeast. And as we see that edge of the mid to upper level cloud thickness really start to make its way toward the region and then off the coast, that leading edge is going to bring in a little bit of warmer air with some breaks in the clouds as we go into the afternoon, which will increase our instability and really provide us with a good atmosphere for some of those showers and thunderstorms to develop as we go into the afternoon. So even though you might see a few peaks of sunshine during the afternoon, it looks like conditions will actually go downhill as we see more of those showers and thunderstorms develop across the region, likely seeing that best time period between the hours of about 1 o'clock this afternoon and about 7 p.m. this evening for some of those stronger storms. I want to take a look here at what we are currently monitoring here in our local area. You can see some of these showers and thunderstorms already developing. Most of the lightning activity is off to our north up in the Maryland and Delaware portions of the Delmarva Peninsula, and then off to our west as well. But as that system really starts to make its way to the east coast, we'll start to see some of these showers and thunderstorms actually make their way a little closer to our region as we get into the later morning and afternoon hours today. So nothing currently in the vicinity here to be concerned with, but again, give us another couple of hours and we'll likely start to see some of those showers and thunderstorms right here in the Wallops region as well. So back to our radar here with our slide and radar simulation for our model forecast over the next couple of hours. We're going to be taking a look here what we can expect as we go into the 12 o'clock time frame. You're going to see here on the model as I freeze it at 12 p.m. today, some of those showers and thunderstorms just off to the south at that point. Moving ahead in time into the afternoon hours, this is 4 p.m. to around 5 p.m. local time. You can see those showers and thunderstorms really pretty abundant in the area at that point in time. You're going to see a pretty good chance of seeing some lightning advisories and some severe weather across the Delmarva with these thunderstorms. They're going to quickly push off later this evening, with most of the thunderstorm activity coming to an end by 7 p.m. tonight. Could see just a slight chance between the hours of around 7 and 10 p.m. as it does look like you could see a little bit of lingering upper level support for some shower activity on through about 10 p.m. tonight. And then after midnight, we'll see rapidly clearing skies and conditions really improving as far as that shower and thunderstorm activity. So as we go through the next couple of days and what we can expect here by overnight tonight, that front will have cleared the region. We are going to see very windy conditions associated with this storm system throughout the afternoon and into the evening hours tonight. Could see a little period of time before midnight where the winds die off a bit, and then we're going to see them pick right back up by early tomorrow morning. And Saturday looks to be mostly sunny day, but also seeing some pretty strong winds as that pressure gradient tightens over a region as high pressure builds in quickly. So we'll see a nice warm 70-degree high for tomorrow, but we'll also see those winds probably gusting at 30 miles per hour or maybe even a little higher than that as we go throughout the day on Saturday. So we go into Saturday night into Sunday, we'll see another frontal boundary approach the region, but we're going to be dealing with a lot less moisture with this frontal boundary, and we are going to see much less chance of any kind of shower and thunderstorm development with this frontal boundary. Probably won't even see any precipitation at all, just an increase in cloudiness as the front moves through during the day on Sunday. We're going to see plenty of warm air for Sunday as temperatures look to be in the mid to upper 70s, and just some windy conditions as that front moves through on Sunday. So dry conditions expected, plenty of sunshine for the weekend, but we will see those windy conditions continuing for both Saturday and Sunday. Looking at the next 24 hours, you're going to see a lot of color on our chart here, looking at precipitation to become likely later this afternoon as those showers and thunderstorms develop over a region. Looks like we'll start to see the chances for thunderstorms here at Wallops after 11 a.m., looking at about a 20% chance, and those chances really ramp up after 1 p.m. this afternoon up to 65%. And then we're going to run that 65% chance through 5 p.m. this afternoon before seeing the chances for thunderstorm activity decrease slightly. Still pretty likely, though, to see some thunderstorm activity in the late afternoon hours between 5 p.m. and 8 p.m., looking at about a 55% chance and then a 20% chance after 8 p.m. before all precipitation comes to an end by about midnight tonight. Looking at skies clearing very quickly overnight tonight, and then as you wake up tomorrow morning, we'll see breezy conditions continuing with those wind gusts potentially up to about 30 knots by 8 a.m. tomorrow. But we will see sunny conditions with just a few fair weather cumulus clouds out there right around 3,000 feet. Looking at our forecast for Saturday and Sunday, again, really no hazards except for the wind. We'll see breezy conditions continuing. See a high of 70 degrees on Saturday night. Looking at partly cloudy skies becoming mostly cloudy with that front approaching the area. We'll see those clouds lingering into Sunday morning, but a nice warm day is in store for us on Sunday with a high temperature of 77 degrees with those breezy conditions continuing. So take a look here at our next 7 days. After we get through today, we're going to see dry weather really impact the region with high pressure building in for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Looking at our warmest day on Sunday with a high of 77. And then as that front moves through, we'll see a cooler air mass settle into a region Sunday night into Monday morning with that low all the way down to 48 by Monday morning and a high of 64 degrees for Monday under mostly sunny skies. Then we'll see a weak disturbance move mainly to our north on Tuesday. It looks like very slight chance of a few sprinkles or light rain showers early Tuesday, and then seeing skies clear once again for Tuesday and Wednesday. High of 78 on Tuesday, 74 on Wednesday, and then our chance of some scattered showers and thunderstorms once again by Thursday. But a pretty warm week in store for us as we see really the coldest day on the extended forecast for next Monday with that low of 48 and a high of 64, but all other days look to be above normal for this time of year. So certainly keep a lookout for the weather this afternoon as we are expecting some of those strong to severe storms in the local area. Definitely keep close eye on your echo alerts, as we will likely be issuing some lightning advisories and warnings, possibly some severe storm watches and warnings as well from the National Weather Service. So definitely keep a lookout for the weather and be careful if you have any outdoor activities planned for the remainder of the day. Have a nice day. We'll be back again Monday morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice weekend.